Hello, my name is Christopher, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install Uptime Kuma on Umbrel OS. So a little bit about this series is I'm going over a home lab, so I'm going over installing things, getting things set up, everything like that. So if you like that, subscribe, comment, like, and support the channel, and let's get started. So we're going to start with a fresh install of Umbrel OS. So you can see and install your first app. You can go to the App Store right here, and you can go to Uptime Kuma up in the search box, up, and then Uptime Kuma. And you can install this version. It's the official repo, but it's a little bit outdated. So I didn't want to use this version because I like to use Uptime Kuma, the updated version, because there's some things that are fixed, some security issues, things like that. So there could be anything fixed, so it's better to get the latest version. So I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to go out of there, and then I'm going to go to here, little dots right here, and then the community app stores, and I'm going to add the app store that I created. So I'm going to just remove it real quick, and I'm going to go over to the app store, and you can see that it's got one app in it. It's Uptime Kuma, and it's the latest version for this video. I did a little how-to on getting the app store inside there, and then you can also do the CLI too, to where you can add it that way. So before we add this app, I'm going to show you that what it's doing. So version 3.7, it's going to create a proxy in there, and then it's going to have this as the host name, and then that app port is 3001, and then the image is coming from Docker Hub, and then Uptime Kuma, and then the tag is 1.22.1. that's the version, and then a restart on failure, and then stop a grace period for, and then the volumes right here. So, and then it's created a data directory, an empty one over here for the app data right here. And you can go in here, you can see the manifest for the info. So I'm going to get to installing this. So we can paste in the URL right here, the GitHub URL. Okay, add, and then you can open it right here. And then you can see that one app in here, but I'm planning on adding more. So Uptime Kuma right here, you can see it is on the latest version now for this video. And so you can install right here. It's going to give you a little prompt for potentially insecure or malicious stuff. It's just because it's community app store. You can look at the code, you can look at what it's doing. I just showed you it, so don't take my word for it. Look at the code, see if you like it, and if you have any issues with it, please contact me on Discord or in the comment section and let me know if there's something wrong. So I'm gonna say I understand and continue. It's going to install right here. Yeah, this might take a few to get it installed completely. So it's installed, it's up and running, and I'm going to say open. So we're going to start out where we left off. So we're going to set up an account, and this is a local account for Uptime Kuma. So we're going to just password too weak. Let's see. Okay, now we got it up and running, and you can add a monitor. So go ahead and add a monitor real quick for it, and then let's save, and you can see it's up and running and it's pinging, so it looks like it's working. So I just showed you how to get Uptime Kuma running on Umbrel OS. So this makes it where you can keep track of your local services. If they're up or down, get notified. And also, if you have any suggestions for apps for the App Store, the Big Bear Umbrel App Store, let me know in the Big Bear community what you want and what you need. So if you have any video suggestions or you need support for anything, you can go down the Big Bear community, and I'll be glad to help you as much as possible. So stay tuned for more.